This is a Vax air purifier. It's one of the larger models. The filter is due for a clean. So the filter light has just come on. So let's take a look and give this a clean. I've turned off the purifier and disconnected the power. And the way to access the filter is to lift this from the back and then pull this out. Loads of dust. And then what you want to do is there's like a button here, a sliding thing. You just that releases. Just be careful. Loads of dust. Yeah. So I will be giving this a hoover. Okay, so we've just completed hoovering the filter. Looks brand new. We'll put this back into the air purifier. The way to put the filter back in is following the instructions. Insert this side up. It goes in. Give that a bit of a spin. And then we slide this so it locks into position. You can see it rising. Nice and secure. Then we put back the lid. That in, close the hatch. So I've reconnected the power to the air purifier. I'll put the power on now. You'll see the filter light is still on. That's fine. The filter has been cleaned, so there shouldn't be an issue. If you put a brand new filter in, it will identify it's a brand new filter, and it will switch off this button. Yeah, put it into my usual settings, 1 hour, and yeah, and on medium. If we get there, that's it, all done.